Good morning, commanders. Good morning, commanders. Good morning, leadership. Good morning, MK. Good morning, everybody. I want just to say something that's in my heart today. We need to grow. Our children's future is at risk. For 30 years, we didn't see no progress, nothing. And in that 30 years, it's nearly 600,000 newborn every year that's coming to the job market. And 30 years later, those people are suffering, those people are becoming drug addicts, and those people, they are our children, they are our family, they are our people. That's our people. When Mr. Ramaphosa is talking about his people, he is talking about those people, and he loves the way they are. I'm not going to talk too much about people, I'm going to talk about the problems that we're facing today as MK political party, because we need to take over everywhere in South Africa, and we can do that. We can do that. And for us to do that, we need to help each other. I'm here in Johannesburg. We are in Kempton Park. We are in Ekurhuleni. We need every MK member to share this video and help us to guide every single MK member to come to us and help us to win Ekurhuleni. Whoever you know in Ekurhuleni and he is an MK member, please tell him to communicate with us. I'm Hakim. I'm the task manager, part of the task team that organize all the events happening here in my ward. We are doing very well. We are always active. We try as much as we can to go and to show ourselves. We bought a Kazibu with our own money. We got a banner also. We bought it with our own money. The people, they came, they said they got only 5 rand to contribute, but they feel shy. I said, my brother, your 5 rand is better than 1,000 rand, because that's all what you got. Because they want a change. We need to change. We need to change. If you want to know why, I don't want to say the white man, because we're all different. You got white people, they are bad. You got white people, they're good. Black people bad, black people good. Indian bad, Indian good. Let us be more realistic. Even colored people also, they're not all good and they're not all bad. They're just like us and me and everybody. We are a creation of God. And quality, I love this thing. I love it. Look at this. Oh, my brother. And quality, it's everywhere. And negativity is everywhere. We started this MK, we joined MK, thanks to Msholozi. He's the one who moved the boat. He's rocked the political arena in South Africa. He rocked it. But you can see in Parliament, he gave the voice to the voiceless. He gave the voice to the smallest political party, and they became ministers, they became something. But not even one day they say thank you to Msholozi. You know why? We're not going to say they're bad people. That's politics. That's politics. If they say that, they know they will lose the seat they get there. It's politics. And politics is evil. It's evil when it's on the wrong hand. If you look at from my post, I put African culture. Culture. If you want to destroy any country in the world, you start with culture. You start with culture. And then you start killing the lions of that country, the leaders that fight for the well-being of the country, the aboriginals, the autochthon people that was born there for thousands and thousands of years. They start killing them. And then we need to implement an African economy, not rules and regulations and compliance coming from France, coming from America. If you want to do a business, they say, wait, you can't do that. You must have A, B, C, D. Sorry, but when those people started business in America and when the Industrial Revolution started in the UK and Europe, nobody told them, hey, you need to put this regulation in place. Because that time, they just want to make money and they just want to be the most powerful country in the world. And they went for it. And that's what we want in Africa. Africa must create its own rules, its own compliance, its own business model. We don't need Europe. We can survive by eating bananas in Africa. The most important thing is we need to educate our children. We need to discipline them. We can eat mango, we can eat bananas, we can eat. Africa is the warehouse. Africa is the pick and pay of the world. You know, if these so-called Europeans that never had a toilet until the 16th or the 18th century, you know, they want to be with us, they need to understand who we are. They need to understand that our blood, Africa runs into it. And we are running to Africa. Africa is part of it. You know, we are part of Africa. In Africa, we've got Africans. In Africa, we don't have Arabs. In Africa, we don't have Europeans. In Africa, we've got African people. That's what we got in Africa. If you want to see what's happening and to understand where this JNU taking us, just go follow what's happening in Hartbeespoort Dam. You know, they're chasing away the black businesses. They're chasing them away. You know why? Because most of the people that goes there for holiday, it's black people. And black person will support a black business. It's not because he's a racist. It's a culture. It's the music, it's the food, it's the vibe. We're Africans. We're Africans. You know? And if you can see you cannot get that in your system, then you are a tourist in this country. Then you are a tourist. I forget why I'm doing this video. I'm doing this video to ask, please, to share it as much as you can everywhere. And like I said before, we need to follow each other. You follow your friends follow you, you follow me, I follow you, because that can create a lot of business for the small young people that are on TikTok instead of just putting selfies there. If you go over 50,000, 10,000 people on your account, you can make money, my man. You can advertise, TikTok will pay you money if you go over 10,000 people in your account. And we are 5 million members in South Africa. Now I'm talking business here, you know. And if we can get the people to join each other who are part of MK alone, just because of this smartphone that I'm holding in my hand, we can employ a lot of people. Those people can be motivated to sell goods. If you got 10,000 people or 20,000 people on your followers, then you can take what? You know? You can take, for example, you know, where is that thing I want to, you know, you can take this brick, this, you can sell it. You can take this thing here, you can sell it. You understand? You can sell anything for 10,000 because somebody out there, he needs it. And that's how you will grow your business thinking. Because business, you cannot just start and get there. You have to crawl. You have to see blood on your knees. I was there. Nobody told me. I was there. You need to start on your knees. You need to sweat and blood. You need to be wise, not clever in business. Don't believe in clever. You need to be wise in business. Clever is for politicians like Ramaphosa and Matthew Posa and all those people, Tokyo Sekwali, you know, Gordon, and you know, even Kilimbalula, even he is clever. But we at MK, we need to be wise. Because wise take you places. If you don't want to understand what is wise and clever, I will explain it to you. Clever, it's like beauty. You get to 17, 18, 19, you're beautiful. But as you grow older,